This is our jeep. Should be awesome. This is situated around 17 to 20 kilometers from Madikeri. This is why it is called Muglupete. Super. Reach back the parking area.
You are watching
We are in Scotland of India, the Cook, Kodagu. This is Mandalpatti Hills. You can see the Neelakurinji blossom here around. This episode is about Neelakurinji blossom in Mandalpatti Hills, Kodagu. This is Naveen. Welcome back to another episode of Tint and Travel. We covered 85 kilometers. We are passing through Mangaluru highway, looking for a coffee shop, our regular pit stop, but the coffee day is not open. Looks like it is closed. We will fill the diesel and go ahead. This is the petrol pump. Today's diesel rate is 94 rupees 58 paise. From here we need to travel another 200 kilometers to reach Mandalpatti peak. After filling diesel, we are continuing from here. Another 180 kilometers to Mandalpatti peak. Will take 4.5 hours. 123 kilometers to Madikeri. We are in Chandrayapatna now. We are in Hassan Periyapatna road. It is 89 kilometers from here. It will take another 2.5 hours to reach there. We are passing through Hassan Periyapatna road. It is very nice weather, misty weather you can see around. This is Kushal Nagara. From here it is 30 kilometers to Madikeri and 46 kilometers to Mandalpatti peak. Google map shows it will take another 1.5 hours to reach. We are almost reaching Madikeri. It is another 8 kilometers to Madikeri from here. We are planning to have breakfast from Madikeri and continue to Mandalpatti peak. Nanda, see outside?
Yeah,
How's it?
nice.
Very nice weather. Hope it won't rain when we reach Mandalpatti. We are going to have breakfast from this restaurant here, Big Cup Cafe.
I think this resort we saw before also.
Yeah, last time we came here. That
I
time we
knew it
told.
you were coming here.
Let us see, breakfast is available. Let's go and see something is there for breakfast. Big Cup Cafe, nothing is there. They will start from 8:30. Now we are heading to Madikeri. Let's see, something will be available for breakfast near to Madikeri or on the way to Mandalpatti. Time is 7:30 now, so we are early. Thought of reaching early to avoid the crowd. We stopped here for having our breakfast. We are going to have our breakfast from here. This is on the way to Mandalpatti. How is the view, Nanda? See from here? Nice. Sit somewhere here. How's it?
Awesome.
This is Pattal. Actually, Mangalore style. Right? Whenever we go Mangalore, we will have fish curry and Pattal. Just
And
like
don't
rice
forget
puri.
And we cannot forget the delicious prawns from fish market.
Yeah. Wow. Hot Pattal. We done with breakfast from Madikeri, Hotel Coorg. From here, Ravi and family are also joining us.
Anyway,
Now we are heading to Mandalpatti to see Neelakurinji flowers. So this is a rare flower. This will bloom only once in 12 years. Now we are going to see that flowers in Mandalpatti Hills. Meet you there. So we hired a jeep from here. Better to hire jeep from Madikeri itself. the charge is almost same when we go there and hire another jeep. So now from here itself we are hiring a jeep. This is the jeep. So let's start.
Let's start!
Okay. ಅದು ನಮ್ದು ಗಾಡಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಫ್ ರೋಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಹೋದ್ರು ಫುಲ್ ಗಾಡಿ ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ಬೇಸ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಹೋದ್ರು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಜೀಪ್ ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಸರ್,
ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವರು ಡಬ್ಬಲ್.
ಹೌದಾ? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತಗೊಂಡು
ಅದೇ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲವೇ, ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಂದಲ್ಪಟ್ಟಿ, ಬೇರೆ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಕಾರಲ್ಲೇ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು.
So this is the junction. If you go straight, we will reach Abbey Falls. Now we have taken the straight route. This will leads to the Mandalpatti peak.
Literally, this looks like Kodajadri.
Yeah. See the weather, misty. Time is around 9 o'clock now. Still, the weather is misty.
The weather, whatever, I am clever.
Nanda, are you there?
Yeah!
Okay.
Yeah!
This is Kaveri River, you know.
Kaveri River!
Yeah. See the beautiful river Kaveri. This is the beauty of Karnataka.
Yeah!
Ravi, Madikeri is one of the largest producer of cardamom. So from Madikeri town, it is 25 kilometers to Mandalpatti. So there is a forest check post in Mandalpatti. Once we reach there, 25 rupees entrance fee we need to pay per head. The plastic items are not allowed. They will check your bag, luggages, everything. This is the entry point to Mandalpatti hill. This is the entry check post. Here we need to pay the entry fee. They will do a detailed checking. We are not allowed to take any plastic items.
ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರೈನ್ ಕೋಟ್ ಇದು ರೈನ್ ಕೋಟ್. ಕ್ಯಾಮರಾ ಡ್ರೋನಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮರಾ. ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
Not even a biscuit pack they will allow to take inside. From here itself you can see
Yeah, I
the
can see, I can
bluish purple color flowers. The name is
Neelakuringi.
Neelakuringi.
Beautiful.
Off-road starts from here. So
Rough and
this
tough
is
and rough and tough and rough
yeah,
and
little
tough
bit
and
rough and tough. Everywhere you can see the bluish purple Neelakuringi flowers. It's a rare flower. Bloom only once in 12 years.
It's so pretty.
Misty mountain of Mandalpatti fully covered with the bluish purple Neelakuringi flowers.
I'll describe these flowers as ABC.
Wow.
A for adorable, B for beautiful, C for cute. Then that's it. Yeah, that's it.
See how the jeeps are coming. This is our jeep.
Hi.
Really tough road. We should have 4-wheel drive here. How is it, Nanda?
Awesome!
How is it, Ved?
Nice.
Okay.
Paru, how is it? Nice. Nice. Looks like awesome is the odd one out. Paru,
Wow.
see here.
Super. Get down.
Yes! Finally.
So we are getting down here.
Come.
I will show you the bluish purple rare flower Neelakuringi. The bluish purple carpet all over the misty mountains in Mandalpatti. This is the Strobilanthus kundiana Neelakuringi rare flower. Blooms only once in 12 years. This is that flower. Wow, awesome. This is the rare bell-shaped
Beautiful.
bluish purple Neelakuringi. The botanical name is Sprobilanthus kundiana. Wow, awesome flower. You will get this chance only once in 12 years.
Cheese.
Wow. Awesome.
So nice.
Literally a purple carpet all around the misty mountains in this Mandalpatti. Very nice view. If you are around Madikeri, please don't miss this scene. You will get this chance only once in 12 years. Shami, how is the flowers?
Super. Awesome. No, it's
Wow.
Navi.
Wow, wow, super. Shami, awesome. Wow. This is Mandalpatti Hills. You can see the Neelakurinji blossom here around. This year we got the opportunity to witness the beauty of the purple carpet spread across the misty mountains of Mandalpatti. This is situated around 17 to 20 kilometers from Madikeri town. You need to get here by hiring a four-wheel drive jeep. The safari to this place is also an awesome experience. So if you are in and around Madikeri, please don't miss this fantastic scenery. You will get this chance only once in 12 years. It is said that the species Kundiana derived from Kundi River, which is flowing through Silent Valley National Park, Kerala. Wow. Are you guys enjoying?
Yes.
How is the purple beauty?
Of course. As always, awesome.
Super. All are enjoying?
Yes.
How's it?
Awesome.
Okay, we'll go to the next spot. It is nearby. Now we're done with the first spot. Let's go.
Go.
Super, sir. And after 12 years only we can see this
What?
again. Now we are going to the next spot. See, everywhere, all the mountains completely covered by the purple colored flower.
Yeah.
This is the entrance of Pushpagiri Wildlife Sanctuary. This whole Mandalpatti peak is coming under the range of Pushpagiri. Now we reach the other spot wherein we need to climb up around 100 meters up to reach the peak. Vehicle is allowed only till this place. This is the jeep parking area. Sir, this spot is
ಮಂದಲ್ಪಟ್ಟು
Mandal. This is last spot.
ಮುಗಿಲ್ಪೇಟೆ ಪುಷ್ಪಗಿರಿ ವೈಲ್ಡ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಸೆಂಚುರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಒಂದು 200 ಜೀಪ್ ಇದೆ ಓಡುತ್ತೆ ಟೂರಿಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ಈಗೀಗ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ
ಅದು ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್
ಕೌಂಟರ್
See how many jeeps are coming here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
We are climbing up the Mandalpatti, the highest peak. I will show you around. Wow, super. There you can see the long view. Shemi, Nanda, they are climbing up. Wow, very nice. Very nice experience. Wow. Mandalpatti is also known as Mugilu Pete. Mugilu means cloud, Pete means market. So the meaning is market of clouds or market of mist. So the other name of Mandalpatti is Mugilu Pete. Very nice view. So we are climbing towards that viewpoint. There is a viewpoint. You can see that. We'll show the view from here. It is awesome view. This is what it is called as Mugilu Pete. You can see the clouds, mist. Also you can see Neelakurinji flowers. Wow. This is why it is called Mugilu Pete. See the mist and the clouds. Continue watching Tint and Travel. We reached the viewpoint. Let's go and see how is the view. Wow. Shami, how is the view? Wow. See this? We can't see, right? Because of mist.
Oh, see.
See that? Nice. Getting down from here, going to the next spot. Wow. See? Very nice. Wow. How was it? Super?
Good.
How's it, Ravi?
Nice experience.
Yeah.
It's fantastic.
Super. Oh, this is very nice spot. Oh, see this? Can you see the parking area? It's not visible. Wow. Wow. Super. We are in Scotland of India, the Coorg. It is raining now, but nice weather. Super.
Yes. I never seen a white snail. And do you know how they suck their water? They don't suck it from their mouth. Their mouth is actually the bottom of the body. Yeah, they suck water like within 1 second. Even though they're slow, they drink water fast. Calm down. Chill, girl. Chill. Ah!
Wow, super. We'll go?
Yes.
We climbed down now. Now we will go to our next destination from here. Moving towards the parking area. Reach back the parking area. From here, we will go to the next destination. Kini ellige sir?
Kotte Falls.
Kotte Falls.
Kotte Falls.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ?
ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಒಂದು 10 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್.
10 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ?
ಒಂದು 20 ನಿಮಿಷ
ಅಷ್ಟೇ
25 ನಿಮಿಷ.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ವಾಪಸ್ಸು ಮಡಿಕೇರಿ?
ಮಡಿಕೇರಿ ಈಗ 11:30,
ಹಾಂ,
ಒಂದು 1 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ರೀಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಸರಿ,
1 hour.
ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್.
ಬನ್ನಿ.
ಪಾರು ಎಂಜಾಯ್ಡ್?
Yes. But I'm sweating like a pig now.
Enjoyed?
Yes.
Now I am in Mandalpatti Peak Food. You are watching Tint and Ram. Now we are in the parking spot of Mandalpatti Peak. You can see around all our four-wheel drive jeeps. You can't take your private vehicle, car and come over here. Only till the checkpost your cars are allowed. After that it is not allowed. I recommend you better hire a jeep from the town itself, so it costs you the same. When you hire from the checkpost or you hire from the Madikeri town, the cost is almost same. So better to park your car in Madikeri town and hire four-wheel drive jeep for Mandalpatti visit. With this we done with Mandalpatti episode. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Stay tuned for the upcoming episode. From here.
Yep, you can see that.
See this.
Yeah.
It is completely covered with mist. Very nice. Wow.